Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the LangGraph AI agent. So let's have a look what this tutorial is all about. This is a LangGraph tutorial that builds a real but free no API needed AI agent workflow instead of a single chat prompt. So this agent takes one customer support message and classifies what the problem is all about, detects how urgent it is, draft a reply to the customer, skip for the very urgent tickets, decides which team should handle it. Okay, so let's have a look. Instead of we are using this land graph instead of a one long prompt. So the graph lets you to split an agent into the small steps, that's nodes, and share the data between them. Okay, so there is no LLM calls are made. All logic is plain Python keyword matching, so anyone can clone the project and run immediately without an API key. The intent is to teach the land graph structure first. Swapping the rule based nodes for the real LLM calls is a natural, right? That we can do the later on. So let's have a look how we have done this one. So here you can see I have a message like my order arrived for this one, and it give me the prompt that hi, thanks for reaching out, and this kind of message it will return, just matching with the keyword matching, right? Okay. So let's have a look what exactly the code level. Okay, so here we have the code level, right? So this we have the function first classify tickets that figure out the ticket is about from the keyword in the message. Okay, so it was just matching the keyword refund, return, money back, charge, something keyword. Okay, then we have a detect urgency, the flag the ticket as a high urgency, so it contains the urgent sounding words. So this one, and after that we have a draft customer reply, writes a reply to the customer tailored to the category and urgency. Only reached normal urgency tickets, see the conditional edge for the build graph, right? So this is the writes a reply to the customer. Okay, reply hi, thanks for reaching out and understand the category urgency. So okay, next we have the route ticket decides which team the ticket goes based on the urgency and the category. Okay, then conditional edge function, not a node, tells the graph which path to take next. Okay, should escalate, now wires the nodes into the lang graph and compiles into the runnable app. So this is that one. Okay, then prints the final answer with the help of this, runs one message through the compile graph and the final state. So here is all the ticket. Okay, now we have a replace three hard-coded samples we have already done. This is my package has been delayed, not updating, app crash, I was charged twice. Okay, so these are the demo that three of them like we have added for the demo keys, and according to it it will print. Okay, loops asking for the new ticket each time until the user types slash quit. Okay, and this is the main entry point, parses CLI flag, dispatches to a single interactive demo mode. So this is that one, we're asking for the action to perform, right? And that's it. So this is basic one that is using the line graph. There's a no API call for this one, so you can use this logic. Okay, and for automatic replies for that one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.